I would like to summarize what I have learned about AI from the perspective of how it can be used in real-world work. This video is not a strict explanation of the code, but a simplified explanation using real-world examples. In daily work, it is common for business partners to suddenly call and ask, "Can you tell me the progress of this project?" In some cases, people even make a phone call just to confirm that they have sent an email. On the receiving side, we are often handling many different tasks at the same time. So when someone refers to this project in such an abstract way, it is not always immediately clear what they are talking about. This is where AI can help reduce the workload by handling these inquiries. To achieve this, the AI needs the ability to understand sudden, unclear questions by referring to previous conversations, filling in missing context, and extracting the necessary project information to respond appropriately. To give AI this capability, we use a prompt such as, "Please rewrite the question while taking the conversation history into account." This allows the AI to transform vague and sudden questions into independent, well-structured questions that are easier to understand. Now, let's get started. First, for a sudden question from a business partner, input, we refer to the previous conversation history, chat_history, and transform it into a new, clearer question that is easier to understand. Then, based on this rewritten question, we retrieve the necessary information from the project data. This is called Task 1. The result of Task 1 is the instance created by create_history_aware_retriever. Next, based on the rewritten question and the retrieved project information, the AI generates an answer. This is called Task 2. For the response, we also provide instructions on how we want the AI to behave. For example, if the same person repeatedly asks for updates, we may instruct the AI to respond in a way that does not disrupt the workflow, while appropriately managing the schedule. By providing these instructions, the AI can generate appropriate responses when asked about project progress. This is handled by the create_stuff_documents_chain instance, which completes Task 2. Next, we combine the question rewriting from Task 1, the retrieval of project information, and the response generation from Task 2 into a single process. This is the create_retrieval_chain instance, which we call Task 3. Task 3 acts as a single entry point for handling questions. This entry point handles everything at once, rewriting the question, retrieving project information, and generating the final response. For example, when a request such as, "Can you tell me the progress of the project?" is received, the invoke method is executed. The AI may then generate a response such as, "You are currently 5th in the queue. We expect to begin work in about 1 week, after which we will proceed sequentially." In this way, the system can respond on your behalf even to frequent status inquiries. The response is also added to chat_history, as it is used in the process of converting vague questions into clearer ones. By doing so, the AI can take previous conversations into account when handling new requests, which helps reduce interruptions caused by small questions or requests during work, and ultimately reduces the mental burden of being constantly interrupted.